Hello, everybody. My name is Gary Prim. I live in Nashville, Tennessee, and I'm a studio musician, keyboard player, producer, songwriter, and I'm excited about being a part of this new venture for my friend Alka at TCC Studios. And if you have any keyboard work you need, I would love to be a part of it. I can do, file sharing and do overdubs. I've worked with some of the top artists in country and gospel over the years, and you can check out a list of all of my credits on my website, which is garyprim.com, and that's Prim, garyprim.com. And I'd love to hear from you. God bless.